For the last 3 years, the mid-size truck segment has felt like a one-horse race. The Ford Ranger has absolutely dominated the market with its tech-heavy interior and refined V6 engines, leaving the aging Toyota Hilux looking like a relic from the past. But the era of Ford's uncontested rule ends today. Toyota Thailand has officially pulled the covers off the 9th-generation pickup, debuting under the new code name Hilux Travo. And let's be very clear, this is not just a facelift. This is a ground-up reinvention designed with a singular purpose: to take the crown back from the Ford Ranger. The first thing you notice is the radical shift in design language. Toyota calls this new aesthetic Cyber Sumo. It ditches the rounded edges of the outgoing Revo for a much boxier, aggressive stance. It borrows heavily from the North American Tacoma, featuring a hexagonal grille and sharp digital LED lighting signatures. It looks wider, angrier, and significantly more modern. But a pretty face doesn't kill the Ranger. Performance does. Under the metal, the Travo rides on the modular TNGA-F platform. This is the same ladder frame architecture found in the Land Cruiser 300 and the Tundra. The powertrain lineup is leading with the updated 2.8-liter turbo diesel, now paired with Toyota's 48-volt mild hybrid system. While official horsepower figures are still being finalized, torque is expected to jump significantly to compete with Ford's bi-turbo setup. But the real game changer is the suspension. Leaked marketing materials highlight a new system called Dynamic Cloud. This appears to be an adaptive suspension setup designed to eliminate the bouncy, unrefined ride quality that has plagued the Hilux for decades. Inside, Toyota has finally realized that truck owners want luxury. The Travo features a completely redesigned cabin with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive landscape infotainment screen. Crucially, they have kept physical toggle switches for the four-wheel drive modes and climate control, fixing the biggest complaint people have with the screen-heavy Ford Ranger. However, we need to pause for the reality check. We have to look past the marketing hype and talk about the potential downsides. First is the AdBlue reality. To meet the strict Euro 7 emission standards with this new diesel engine, the exhaust aftertreatment systems are becoming incredibly complex. The more sensors and filters you add to a work truck, the more potential there is for limp mode issues in remote areas. Second is the price creep. By moving to the TNGA-F platform and adding mild hybrid tech, the entry cost for the Hilux Travo is going to spike. We expect a significant price hike over the current model, potentially alienating the farmers and fleet buyers who made the Hilux famous in the first place. This is pushing the truck into lifestyle luxury territory, leaving the budget market behind. So, here's the verdict. The 2026 Toyota Hilux Travo looks like the leap forward we have been waiting for. It finally matches the Ranger on tech, comfort, and chassis refinement. But in doing so, it might have sacrificed the simplicity that made it a legend. The question is, do you stick with the tech-heavy Ford Ranger, or do you trust Toyota's new Cyber Sumo evolution? Let me know in the comments below, is the new Travo a winner or a pass? Thanks for watching Next Gen Cars.